Are you ready to kickstart your journey in one of the most exciting and fastest growing field of the decade, data science? Whether you are an IT professional looking up to level up your career, or a budding IT graduate, or any graduate from non-tech background, and or an enthusiast about the data, and someone passionate about data and getting some insights about it, this video is for you. Here I am going to share a roadmap for your success into data science in the industry. So stay tuned, because I will share some top free resources to to help your career journey and embark in the exciting world of the data science. Hi, I am Manish Nema. I am an IT professional with 25 years of experience, and I have started my journey in the data science, machine learning, and AI back then in 2019. Since then, I have been mentoring people from various diverse background on data science and machine learning. Data science is not just about numbers and coding. It's about solving real world problems. It's it is open to anyone who is willing to learn. Let's dive into how you can get started. Learning data science can feel overwhelming sometimes. Where do you find, what tools do you learn, and how do you make yourself job ready? But here is the good news. You don't need a degree or prior experience to start. Whether you are from any background, with the right resources and dedication, anyone can become a data scientist. And let me show this roadmap for you. Here is how. So here is how. I have prepared this roadmap for data science from beginner to expert. So I'll cover some of the basics on a high level overview. You can start with the phase one. In 1 or 2 months you can cover the basics like Python programming, statistics and probability. I have shared some useful links, whether it is from Coursera or Kaggle. You can do the Python. We will do a full scale Kaggle portion also, and Coursera. I will share and overview all those links with you. Then in phase 2, you will go through the data analysis and visualization. What are the different libraries in the Python that you can use for the data manipulation and the data visualization? For data manipulation, you can use pandas or numpy, and for data visualization, you can use matplotlib and some seaborn, and you can find the link here. Then you can start your journey toward machine learning. That will take approximately 3 to 4 months. After completing this data analysis and visualization, you will learn about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, different machine learning algorithms. The Kaggle is good resource, and then you will find the advanced topics, like you can go into the deep learning about the neural network, uh, CNNs, and this Coursera is a very good resource for that. Then you go to the machine learning and implementation on the cloud, and specifically on AWS. Coursera has very good course offered there. That can take up your approximately 1 month. From 4 to 5 months you can begin this journey. Then you build up your portfolio and start using your job preparation. That takes about 2 months. You start participating in Kaggle competitions. I will go through that in the next slide. You can do a project development and from build end-to-end projects. Like for example, you can predict house prices using machine learning. That you can find a lot of good Kaggle data sources out there for doing that. And you can also find TPUs and NPUs, and you can build your own notebooks using Python. You start preparing your LinkedIn profile and start preparing for the mock interviews, prepare your resume. Here I have given some useful links to how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, some tips and tricks, and some profile optimization guide by LinkedIn itself, and and some mock preparation competitions, and mock interviews. There is a link I have already given. So I will give this link in the description of this video. Now let's dive into the Kaggle. So here is kaggle.com/learn section, and if you go through this, you will find lot of free resources like intro to programming, Python, intro to machine learning, pandas, intermediate machine learning, feature engineering, SQL programming, advanced SQL, and deep learning. What is computer vision? You will learn about concurrent neural network CNN, as I told you. How to do the time series analytics, very specifically useful for your IoT, and kind of example I think I can give you, like share trading, where each of the time series data you need to analyze, monitor, and try to get insights from it. What is the data cleansing, what is the data quality, how you will remove your duplicate data, and things like that you will learn into this section. What are the AI ethics techniques, specifically what are the ethics you should follow when specifically you are implementing an AI for a particular problem or a solution. How to do the geospatial analysis and machine learning explainability. How particular algorithm is explainable. When you're giving a problem to a machine learning algorithm, that outcome, whether it is predicting that, hey, that car with this particular fuel, with this particular weight, will, if you want to predict how much it will go, so whether that explainability is there in that algorithm or not. Specifically, it is true about the neural network. They are not explainable. So we will learn more about these things. How to do the gaming AI and reinforcement learning. So these are some of the technologies you will learn about in the Kaggle itself. Now let's talk about the Coursera courses. So in a Coursera, there is a learn section also. Here you can search for, and you can explore different modules, like you want to learn about data science, for example. Then there are full blown courses available here, right? If you click on this section, there are free courses available from different universities also, and there are some paid courses also. I would encourage you to do the Python one if you want to go with the Coursera. However, I have given the link in the description also, and you can select your options, like data science, and your language. You want to do a project, you want to do a specialization, whether you want to do a professional certificate. Obviously professional certificate will cost you something, but they will be good, and they will have a capstone project associated with them, so that you should do at least one professional certification in the machine learning to showcase your ability in your LinkedIn profile. So that's about the Coursera, and let's talk about some of the important aspect about Kaggle, right? So in a Kaggle, if we go back, so here you will find the different data sets also for your project, right? So you can actually, for example, if you want to do, like say for example weather data or weather prediction you want to do, so you can find a weather prediction related data, and you can find different competition where you can participate in those competition. you can participate, upcoming participation, upcoming competitions. For example, NFL, you want to predict something, and there are some cash prizes are also available, and there are free models are also available. uh, for example, for the latest models, these are some of the models which are generative AI models which are being shown. Let's say if I want to talk about frameworks, say you want to use PyTorch, for example, for your vision analytics, for example. So there are various other models are also available. You can use various models. I would highly encourage you. You should go for some existing model, train them, and we will talk about this more in depth as you go on. So keep tuning for more videos for this, and let me know how do you find this video useful for your data science journey. I'll share the link in the description. Please do like and subscribe this video. Thank you very much.